Dear faculty, hello. In this video, we're going to look into activities and resources within your course pages, how you can move them around, and how you can reallocate them to the new folders that we have created for you. Of course, before we start, we need to click Turn Editing on. Once we have done that, we're going to go to our first weekly section. There are two ways in which you can add activity or resource on My Study at FIE. The first one is if you already have the documents, or rather files, that you'd like to add to your section, you can straight away drag and drop them into your course section. So let's say I have a Word document over here, and I can drag and drop them and they're uploaded immediately with the title that I've given them within my PC folder. Now, if you'd like to use the folders that we have created for you, you can also use this drag and drop. What you can do is go onto the Edit drop-down menu just next to the folder and click Edit Settings. Within the Edit Settings, you'll be able to edit the name of the folder. You could put description to the folder. Of course, don't forget to expand the button so you have the full options for the text editor. So you can use that to tell the students what this folder will contain. And in that area over here, you have the files. Again, if you have your folder open and you'd like to drag and drop, you can do that, and this will be done for you immediately. You can also decide whether or not to display the description of the folder onto the course page. I have kept this unticked just because it keeps the section a bit tidier, but it's entirely up to you how you'd like to have that. Once you're done with the changes, you can save and display, or you can save and return straight to the home page of the course. In that occasion, I'll save and display so you can see what happens once we have uploaded them. Folders are extremely useful tool for organizing your course sections, especially if you have a lot of resources and activities within each section. However, they do offer only a limited number of opportunities for uploading resources. You can upload within each folder files, links, and videos. However, any other type of activity or resource you need to upload to the course section itself. Nevertheless, I do believe that they're a very useful tool, especially if you have a lot of resources, and I do encourage you to try and use them as much as possible, as we do believe that it will help the students to navigate through the courses, and it will help them find the resources that they need much easier. What I want to show you now is how to do that. We have already been through the presentation slides folder, so you know how to drag and drop the files within it, but you also have links. Many of you would have a series of links. Now, I'll offer you little tricks to help you into the process if you do like to use the folders. If you have a lot of links, one after another, you can copy and paste it within the folder and then hyperlink them. While it will take you a little bit of time to set up, it will be worthwhile afterwards, I can assure you. When we go into the Useful Links folder, we click again at Edit Settings, but this time the section we're going to use is the description of the folder. Now, this is the place where you can actually add your links. You can also add images and videos, as in any of the text editors within My Study at FIE. What I have done here already, I have copied and pasted the name of the URL link that previously used to be on the section, and I've hyperlinked them. Just to show you an example, here we have the Parliament website. What you can do is very quickly copy and paste the name of the URL, remove the little icon so it's not in your way, and copy and paste the link that you want the students to visit. You do that from the link icon into the text editor. you can check the box to open in a new window, as it's much more convenient instead of opening in the same window, in case the students want to go back to your course. And there you go, that's been created. Once you're done, you can click Save and Display. And here the links will be nicely presented one after another. Some of you might like to include description for each of the links, and that's absolutely fine. Since you're working into the course section description, it allows you to use the text editor at its full capacity. With this, I would like to conclude our final video from the introductory series of the new changes to MyStudy at FIE. If you have any questions, or if you'd like to schedule a one-to-one meeting with me, please do not hesitate to email me, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I look forward to working with you in this upcoming fall semester. Thank you for watching.